Now, on the record, this is the People versus Raymond Christopher Brown, case number SP 158-63541, no insurance misdemeanor appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Mr. Raymond Brown, who's with this court via Zoom. Mr. Brown, please state your full name for the record.
Raymond Brown.
Yes, Your Honor. I have had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Brown. He was able to provide valid documentation to me. I have reviewed that information. He does have valid insurance, and it expires in November of 2024. And I'm asking for a dismissal based on a prosecutor's recommendation.
Okay, and that's just for the insurance matter. Did he get the warrants lifted or set aside?
Your Honor, I wasn't aware of any because they weren't on the docket. He did inquire of those. I didn't know if they had gone into default or not.
What did you say, Mr. Brown?
Yes, they were lifted. I went to 36th District. And
you set aside?
I went in person.
One moment. Let me just verify with the clerk what happened to those two, the warrants that.
Improper plates. That's correct. Dismiss the remaining matters.
There are two additional cases in warrant status. I'll have the clerk read them into the record.
Thank you.
SP 14051721, driver license suspended, repeat offender, and ticket number SP 145444711, driver while license suspended.
Is there a motion?
Yes, a motion to set aside the one.
The court will set aside the warrants and recall any capias in that matter.
Thank you, Your Honor. With that stated, he would respectfully ask for a trial date to be set.
He has one more, I'm sorry.
Oh, no problem.
And it's ticket number U6444352, disorderly conduct.
We move to have that set aside as well, Your Honor.
The court will set aside the warrant in that matter as well. Okay, and Mr. Bozeman, you were advised of your rights. You understand that you have a right to a jury trial.
I can't dig in the parking lot.
Okay. And that you're waiving your right to a jury trial to have a trial before me as a trier of fact?
Yes.
And you're waiving this right freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Okay, you can go back on mute. The court will continue the not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Bozeman, and will set this matter for a bench trial on September 3rd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. That's September 3rd at 8:30 a.m., Mr. Bozeman. Did you hear that? You could just thumbs up. Thank you. That's fine for me. So we'll see you back here on that date, sir. I'll set aside all of the. And you can log off, Mr. Bozeman. You have a napkin? Thank you. You had set aside the cases.
You're talking anything? Really? Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, he did actually set aside those warrants, so the warrants have been resolved. And then as it relates to the no insurance misdemeanor, Ms. Irby, you're asking for dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor.
The court, having had an officer of the court verify that Mr. Brown does in fact have valid insurance, the court will dismiss this matter without prejudice, stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
And Mr. Brown, you are free to go. And Mr. Brown, you do have a payment plan already set up for those other matters, so keep up the payments timely, please. And you're free to go. Have a good day, sir. Miss Taylor Baldwin, you can come back for pretrial on August 28th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. You have a good one as well. What's all of these done? I put these on top here. And who are we ready to proceed on now, Ms. Irby?
Your Honor, can we take Mr. Bozeman?
You know what? Tell me, because he's just setting a trial, and then I want to do the matter with the interpreter. I believe she has a family emergency. Was there a family emergency that you had, Ms. Cox? No? You're shaking your head. I can't hear you though.
I'm sorry, no, I don't have any family emergencies. I can wait for as long as you need me.
Oh, thank you. Bozeman, can you turn your camera on, sir? I need you to check this to a stick. Bozeman. We are now on the record. This is the people, Mr. Bozeman, I know you're probably at work with the safety glasses on, but if you're in a safe location, can you take them off?
I'm not in a safe location right now, Your Honor.
You're not? Okay. Now also you will be assessed fines and fees in this case of $300. That's $300 additional dollars than what you are paying to your probation officer.
I'm sorry, wait a minute. Say that again, please.
You are going to, which part? The fines and fees? You're gonna be assessed fines and fees at $300 from the court. Those are the court's fines and fees. You will also have fines and fees that are going to be assessed to you through probation, that the probation department is going to require you to pay. Oversight.
Oh, I have to pay the probation officer?
You're gonna pay the court for the oversight fees that probation is going, for the oversight fees, as well as the urinalysis testing, you're going to be paying for that out of pocket as well. Understand why I say it's cheaper to catch an Uber?
Excuse me?
Right. And when we find out, once you find out whether or not you have a restricted license or if you actually have a revoked license, you need to make sure that whatever the restrictions are, that you're abiding by those restrictions. You are not. Now calling the people versus Kayvon Storm Bozeman, case number SP 159-5257. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, possession of more than one license. SP 159-5259, count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no registration. Count 3, defective or missing equipment. Appearances for the record, please.
May it please this honorable court, Darnell Barton, P 83363 on behalf of Mr. Kayvon Bozeman, sir. Can you unmute and state your name only for the record? And we're going to put you back on mute.
Kayvon Bozeman.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, I've spoken with Mr. Bozeman and the people have made an offer. However, he would not avail himself of that. He'd like to set a trial date with the officers required to appear, Your Honor. He's been made aware of his rights as well.
And would you like to place the offer on the record, Mr. Ganger?
Sure, one moment, Judge.
He does right now.
The offer would be for Mr. Bozeman to plead to one count of fail to display a valid license, as well as one count of improper, oh, excuse me, that's,
We are now on the record. This is the People versus Heater Alvarez Barrera, case number SX 4387659, one count of no operator's license, one count of no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record.
Llamaron al caso contra el señor Álvarez Geder Barrera. Los cargos número 1 es que no tenía licencia, número 2 que no tenía prueba de seguro, de registro.
Attorney Darnell Barton, P83363, on behalf of Mr. Barrera. Sir, can you state your name only for the record?
El abogado Darnell Barton, de licencia P83363, pidió que usted dijera su nombre en voz alta para las actas.
Mi nombre es Eder Álvarez Barrera.
My name is Eder Álvarez Barrera.
And Madam Interpreter, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that you will translate to the best of your ability from English to Spanish and from Spanish to English?
I do.
Thank you. Today is the date and time scheduled for a pretrial. Mr. Barton,
Yes,
I would like to make a correction to the record. There's only the one misdemeanor. The civil infraction has been closed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Le preguntaron a su abogado cómo quería proceder. La jueza dijo que solamente hay un cargo que se considera un delito de cargo menor. El otro ya ha sido solucionado.
Mr. Alvarez Barrera has been given an offer of allowing unlicensed driver to drive. He's been made aware of his rights and he'd like to avail himself of that offer, Your Honor.
Al señor Barrera le han hecho una oferta de que permitió a una persona sin licencia manejar. Él conoce sus derechos y él quiere aceptar esa oferta.
Mr. Barrera, you were advised of your rights. Did you understand your rights?
Señor Barrera, ¿usted le dijeron cuáles eran sus derechos? ¿Usted los entendió?
Sí.
Yes.
And did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a guilty plea?
¿Y alguien le prometió, lo amenazó o lo chantajeó para que usted se declarara culpable hoy?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
¿Se está declarando culpable porque así usted lo desea?
Sí.
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually are guilty?
¿Y se está declarando culpable porque en realidad sí es culpable?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your rights to a trial?
¿Usted entiende que al declararse culpable está renunciando al derecho de pedir un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Understanding that you're waiving your rights to a trial, would you still like to enter a guilty plea?
Entonces, entendiendo todo eso, ¿aún usted quiere declararse culpable?
Sí.
Yes.
Please raise your right hand.
Por favor, levante la mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give will be the truth and the entire truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma que el testimonio que va a dar será la verdad y toda la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Puede bajar la mano.
Turning your attention now, sir, to June 22nd, 2024. Were you driving? I'm sorry, I was pausing. I'll pause for you.
Señor, quiero que usted se acuerde del día 22 de junio del 2024. ¿Usted estaba manejando?
No.
No what?
¿No qué?
¿Cómo?
What?
Let me repeat the entire sentence, Madam Interpreter.
Yes.
Turning your attention to June 22nd, 2024, were you driving a 2015 Ram?
Ok. Acuérdese del día 22 de junio del 2024. Usted ese día estaba manejando un vehículo Ram del 2015.
Sí.
Yes.
And were you driving in the area of 94 and Rosa Parks Boulevard?
Usted estaba manejando en el área de la carretera 94 y la calle Rosa Parks.
Sí,
Yes.
And was that in the city of Detroit and in the county of Wayne?
Y eso fue en la ciudad de Detroit, en el condado de Wayne.
sí,
Yes.
And did you come in contact with the Detroit police officer on that date?
¿Y usted tuvo contacto con un policía de la ciudad de Detroit ese día?
sí,
Yes.
When asked to produce a valid driver's license, were you able to do so?
Cuando le pidieron que presentara una licencia válida, ¿usted pudo hacerlo?
no,
Is it because you did not have a valid driver's license on that date?
¿Era porque usted no tenía una licencia válida ese día?
sí,
Yes.
The court is satisfied, Mr. Burton?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
¿Satisfecho, señor abogado? El abogado contestó que sí.
The court will enter a guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Barrera for the amended charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
La corte va a poner una declaración de culpable en el cargo rebajado de que permitió a una persona sin licencia manejar.
sí, está bien.
Yeah, that is fine.
As it relates to sentencing, is there anything you'd like to say, Mr. Burton?
Sobre la sentencia, ¿quiere usted decir algo, señor Darnell?
You're on mute.
Excuse me, I apologize. Just very briefly, Your Honor. I believe Mr. Alvarez Barrera has what they would call an international license. So the people were gracious enough to give this offer. If there's any deference that that the court can give, we would appreciate that. Thank you.
Le preguntó al abogado si había algo que él quería decir a su favor. El abogado dijo que sí, que usted tiene lo que se llama una licencia internacional. Entonces le está pidiendo que por favor tenga piedad al dictar sentencia.
Muchas gracias, dígale.
Thank you so much.
Is Mr. Barrera, are you currently working?
Señor, ¿está usted trabajando ahora?
Sí,
Yes.
And what do you do?
¿Qué hace?
soldadura.
Welder.
So the court is going to assess fines and fees at $200 in this matter, and you'll have 30 days to pay it in full or enter into a payment arrangement by September 12th. If you'd like to. You first.
La multa va a ser $200 en costos y multas. Tiene 30 días para pagar, o que sería antes del 12 de septiembre.
Sí,
Yes.
If you would like to enter into a payment arrangement, you must do so in person on the first floor at 36th District Court and bring 25% down.
Si usted quiere que lo pongan en un plan de pago, lo puede hacer viniendo a la corte en persona y traer el 25% de cuota inicial.
¿también lo puedo pagar online?
So can I
por teléfono.
also pay today?
Yes, he can pay online at 36districtcourt.org as long as it's paid in full by September 12th.
Sí, lo puede pagar con tal de que esté pago por completo antes del 12 de septiembre. Lo puede pagar por el internet en la página web de la corte 36thdistrictcourt.org.
Sí, está bien.
Yeah, that is fine.
You're free to go.
Entonces ya terminamos. Se puede desconectar.
Muchas gracias y disculpen las molestias.
Thank you so much, and I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
You're welcome, sir.
De nada, señor. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Barton. Have a good day.
Thank you, Ms. Cox. You're free to go
Thank
as
you. Have a
well.
good day.
Thank you.
You want to give Butler a new date? Mr. Butler? Mr. Butler?
Yes, Your Honor.
A bench warrant was already issued for on your matter. It is 59, and this matter was set for hearing at 8:30. So you have to come down to the court for each matter, I think it's $50. I don't know how many you had.
Your Honor, I was in Zoom at 8:30. I was on here at 8:15. I was on
Not
time.
you.
No, I'm sorry, Easton Butler, not you.
Oh,
Nelson Butler, who I just let into the room.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean
I apologize. Nelson Butler, you have a warrant that you'll have to clear up by coming into the court and bringing $50. All right, are we ready on?
I don't think he heard you.
I don't think he's connected to audio, is he?
He is.
Mr. Nelson Butler, did you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, so you're free to go. You
All right.
did hear me say that you need to clear up the warrant by coming to the court?
Yeah.
Okay, have a good day, sir. We ready on Montezville? Because if you are driving outside of those restricted times or places, then you're going to pick up a new case. If you pick up a new case, then you're violating probation. And I am definitely not going to tolerate any violations on probation without sentencing you to jail time. Do you understand that?
Yes,
Ms. Burton?
Yes,
You
I
do?
do.
Okay.
Yes.
And lastly, the recommendation from probation is that you obtain a sponsor. So I don't know if the program that you're in, the entry treatment program that you're in, will assign a sponsor to you. But whoever that sponsor is, see if what you can work out to make sure that you could keep that sponsor when you leave inpatient treatment. You're going to need to continue to have a sponsor for the duration of your probation. Do you have any questions?
Okay, so I got you said not to do the highway, whatever.
So
What's
all of
that?
these things, Ms. Burton, you're gonna review these things with your probation officer. They're gonna be able to make sure, and they're gonna be responsible. No, you're gonna be responsible for completing them, but they will make sure that you are well aware of what's outstanding. You're going to come back to court right now. Initially, I'm gonna have you come back in 60 days. And then after that, you'll probably come back every 90 days. So you'll come back on October 14th, just to check into the courtroom to see what the status is. And then you will continue to go to probation every week or every month.
Which one is?
And I'll see every month, once a month to them. But you are going to be doing your analysis twice a month. So we'll see you back here on October 14th.
Y'all putting a whole lot of strain on me right now. I really feel, you know what I'm saying, because I am disabled. You know, this is a lot.
I understand, Ms. Burton, but did I just tell you that my father was killed by a drunk driver? Do you know the strain that you would have put on somebody else's life had you killed someone that night? Do you understand that? You know the strain that you
okay, you know, I understand judges that let my
hospital.
husband go after he beat me, you know what I'm saying, halfway to death. I got a plate and 2 screws in my neck, you know, and a whole lot of other things going on because, yes, the abuse, you know, mental health.
I sympathize with you, but I was not the judge of record for your husband, and I will not be held accountable or responsible. I am.
So why are you holding me responsible? Why you holding me responsible because your father was killed by a drunk driver? It'd be different if I had gotten into a car crash.
If I were holding you responsible for my father being killed, you would have been sentenced to life. You are being sentenced to 12 months of probation. I am not holding that against you. I am preventing another family from experiencing the loss that I have had, right? And so if I continue to let you think that and give you no accountability for your actions, then you're going to reoffend. And the next time you may kill somebody else's father or mother or child. And that's not what I'm going to allow you to do.
Well, you know, it's just a matter of opinion, you know, when
Miss Burton, Miss Burton, Miss Burton,
thank you. Just thank you. Just thank you, okay? Just thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome, Miss Burton. I wish you the best of luck. I really do. Are you all set, Ms. Burton? Are you're able to log off now? If you have your return date, you return to court on October 14th, and someone from the Department of Probation will contact you regarding your reporting dates.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. All right.
If I could just briefly do Mr. Brown, he's at work and he's been sitting in this room. I don't want him to get fired.
Okay. Which Brown is it?
Raymond Brown. Mr. Brown, Raymond Brown.
I'm at work as well.
Yes, okay, hold on one second, Mr. Bozeman.
We're in